एक आइडिया होता है ना, वो एक सीड की तरह होता है। और वो सीड है ना, वो मिट्टी में डाल के कोई खा भी लेगा और नष्ट भी हो जाएगा। या तो 300 ऑफ अस डिसाइड, लाइक अरुणी, कि ये आइडिया दिया है ना, इसको 100% करते हैं। And I'm sure the impact of the classes is not just because of the idea. The idea comes one in a million in 1 minute. But it's the people who pick up the idea, who give their 100% to make it happen inside the classroom and create memories of a lifetime. So each one of you who's given your 100%, all of us as a team, I think the whatever little success we've had through this experiment has been to each one of us. So, one pat on the back to each one of us to take this idea through. We will be doing a little work, putting in a little more effort with the letters. Each class ka letter will be scanned. So, say if Mohan जी की class का letters है, उनके class के जितने भी letters आएंगे, उसका एक PDF बन के will be sent to Mohan. Definitely, I know it will take a little time, but I have a group of at least 10 people who says whatever it takes, I will do and come and help you, but we will create these systems inside this letter writing experience. So one, what we're going to do is create a PDF. You all will have a memory of your classrooms forever with you. To these letters, where they are going, we will let you know. If a reply comes back to that student, it will be definitely delivered back. I don't know how many replies come, but whatever replies come, we will ensure it reaches the students back in the schools. And if that loop is completed, we believed in an idea. First of all, Naren approved of that idea. We presented that idea. You believed that idea. Children also agreed to the idea and wrote. And now, if they get a feedback back, imagine it shows them in real life an idea given all the possible effort can create such a beautiful loop and completion in itself. So all this will happen. It will take a little time, but हर एक के क्लास का लेटर्स हर एक को मिलेगा, ये प्रॉमिस है डेफिनेटली. And you know who's going to be the richest person in this? Me. I'm going to read every letter. And if there are 8, 9,000 this week, we had less students because of the rains, but how many ever letters come? I'm going to be the richest. So, with a very, very deep gratitude, I thank you all for this experience. Thank you for making me rich. And now let's move on to the next session of Keep Moving Movement. There are some movies that you can see again and again. And if there is one such movie that I have seen, not because I like it, but because my nephew likes it, and he thinks it is the ultimate of movies. It is not Batman, it is not Superman, it is not Cinderella, it is Mission Mangal. Since he was 6 months old, we used to watch Mission Mangal on loop in our house. And when the spacecraft is launched into the orbit and it is going round and round, I would experience me sitting in the middle and Om going round and round around me. So he would imitate the spacecraft, and if when it goes behind Mars, he will come behind me, and when it is just about to emerge, he will emerge out and say, "Hey, I've come, I've landed on Mars." And that's why we played this song Shabashia before we started the session today. एक तो है कि आपने इतना अच्छा सेशन लिया है, उसके लिए शाबाशिया. और दूसरा, ये मूवी मेरे अंदर है ना, ऐसे बैठ चुका है. I can literally and imagine his imagination. He's seeing that Tara Shinde character Vidya Balan. She's a little plump and round, na? He said, ये है ना ज्योति बुआ जैसे ही है, उतनी मोटी है. मतलब इतना भी चिढ़ाता है वो मुझे. तो कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगता है उसको एकदम ऐसे पीटू, लेकिन आई feel a lot of love for him also. And when I was seeing this movie multiple times, I imagine there are a few group of scientists. And one fine day they are told, launch a spacecraft to Mars. Now that's not difficult. You have to do it at 1/10 of the cost. And you have to do it in this stipulated time. And of course, as we see there is this director played by Akshay Kumar, and they take up the challenge, and they are mocked at, they are made fun of, they are told you can't do it, they are told NASA के पास जाओ, NASA के पास रहेगा, and these people say नहीं, made in India करना है, हम ही करेंगे. And can you imagine, जब वो स्पीड नहीं मिल रहा है उनके स्पेसक्राफ्ट को, as Vidya Balan is flying, पूरी she gets an idea. So saying, I don't know how to do it, but I'll find a way out. So they find that way out, and in the end, they ultimately make Mission Mangal successful. The spacecraft is launched on Mars. We become the first country to actually do something like this in the cost that we've done, and we create a record. And you know what is the most important scene for me from that movie? End में ना, मूवी के एंड में भी दे शो अक्षय कुमार वॉकिंग आउट. देर आर पीपल ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द आइल क्लैपिंग, स्नैप्स, photo cameras, and these 5 women walk out. And when these 5 women walk out, Vidya Balan's face has a smile. Now that smile is etched in my mind. Can you see that smile? All of them have it, and especially Vidya Balan. And why is the smile important to me? This is the smile of victory. You know, it is that smile which says, I have done it. It is that smile which says, no matter what happened, what obstacles crossed, I did it and I have achieved what I had set out for. I didn't let setbacks keep me down. Especially in that time when their abilities were mocked at. They rose back like a phoenix and they completed it. और ये स्माइल देख के ना मुझे कभी कभी लगता है मैंने भी ना ऐसे कुछ तो करना चाहिए लाइफ में. कीप मूविंग मूवमेंट तो कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन इतना बड़ा होना चाहिए ना कि मैं भी ऐसे है ना लाइन में ऐसे सब रिपोर्टर्स लगे रहेंगे. एंड जो ऑफ कोर्स आई मे वेयर अ सलवार कमीज. माय ट्रेडमार्क इज मोर सलवार कमीज, नॉट अ साड़ी. You know, I'm a more salwar kameez person. So I'm walking there and I'm looking at everybody and I'm smiling. And somewhere one Mehak is sitting and she's watching it online and she says, that is the smile I want. You know, like that, she inspired me with her smile. Some few hundred thousands of youngsters get mere smile se bhi inspired, and I think I should have that smile on my face. And I really wish, you know, we play this game in our house, abracadabra chhu mantar, Jyoti Bua Aja, blanket ke andar se bahar. This is what happens when we play with the kids and the blanket is all over. So na abracadabra chhu mantar, एक नोबेल प्राइज आ जाए मेरे लिए ब्लैंकेट के अंदर से बाहर, कुछ ऐसे हो जाए. एंड आई कीप लाइक यू नो हैविंग दीज crazy desires in my mind. And one of those days somebody asked me, which I'm going to ask you also, if there was a magic wand with you and if a desire of your life had to come to a reality, what would that be? And मैं अपना शेयर करती हूँ. मैंने एक बार ऐसे डिसाइड किया था कि आई विल बी हैविंग अ केबिन विच इज इफ यू हैव सीन लाइफ स्कूल ऑफिस, 6 times ऑफ लाइफ स्कूल ऑफिस. ओके, ऐसे एक बड़ा टेबल रहेगा. दैट इज ओनली माई टेबल. अक्रॉस द टेबल देयर आर नो चेयर्स, ओनली आई सिट ऑन दैट टेबल. गेस्ट के लिए एक अलग एरिया. वो टेबल पे ना एक साइड पे 5 फोन, दूसरे साइड पे 5 फोन. नॉट नॉट मोबाइल वाला, वो प्रॉपर ट्रिंग ट्रिंग वाला फोन. And there will be 2 secretaries on one side, another 2 on the other side, and they will be taking calls and they are totally busy. मतलब इतने calls आ रहे हैं ना मेरे लिए, they are like हाँ 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 ऐसे कर रहे हैं. And that is at 9 o'clock in the morning. आप लोग मेरा डिजायर समझ लो बराबर से, क्योंकि अगर आप उसको रियलिटी कर सकते तो आई विल बी एवर ग्रेटफुल टू यू. ऐसे रहेगा. और 9:30 ओके, 9:30 वहां पे ना सायरन आ जाता है बिल्डिंग में. क्यों सायरन आ जाता है? क्योंकि 9:40 पे टॉप पे मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड होने वाला है. बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे, दैट्स माय बिल्डिंग, और बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड होने वाला है. ऐसे हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड होता है 9:40. 9:43 आई वॉक इन टू माई ऑफिस. एंड व्हेन आई वॉक इन टू माई ऑफिस, यू नो वो बॉस लेडी वाला फील आता है. व्हेन आई वॉक इन, एक साइड से कप आ रहा है मैम चाय, एक साइड से आ रहा है मैम फाइल. ऐसे करके मैं आके बैठती हूँ मेरे चेयर पे. Now that is my office timing, and everybody is in a hurry. Why? Because at 1 o'clock I'm supposed to have lunch with the PMO. PM at PMO's office. Okay, so at 12 o'clock, I exit, have lunch with the Prime Minister, then have dinner in London with somebody with whom we are collaborating for KMM. And then the next day, morning breakfast, I have to meet the Chief General Secretary of Japan. So, breakfast in India, lunch in India, dinner at London, breakfast at Japan next day, and then I come back. Now, this is my desire and dream. And I truly wish that एक कोई magic wand आ जाए और मुझे है ना ये पूरा है ना I get to live this dream for one day at least. एक दिन के लिए तो भी कैसे लगेगा ना, डिनर एक जगह, लंच एक जगह, एकदम चार्टर फ्लाइट, लैंडिंग ऑन द टॉप. ऐसे कुछ डिजायर्स है क्या आपके? मतलब जितना ऑडिशियस हो सकता है. एनीबडी, डू यू हैव सच डिजायर्स? होंगे तो सही, शेयर कीजिए ना थोड़ा मेरे साथ. See, I have been honest and open to share it with you. I would like you also to share it with me. ऐसे मत बोलना जो अभी कुछ डिजायर नहीं है, मैंने KMM ले लिया है, बस मेरे लाइफ का पूरा पूर्ति हो गया, ऐसे नहीं. This is, yes, first I'll listen to ma'am and let me add her to the spotlight. Yes, dear.
Hello, happy morning, Jo.
Happy morning and congratulations for continuing to take the session so brilliantly well at
Thank
Basawa
you.
School in Delhi.
Thank you, ma'am. I have to struggle for those sessions. Being the part of the school, still I have to struggle. But it has been a brilliant experience taking sessions for the children, and the way they react and they share their experiences is also quite amazing. It feels like
Yeah.
magic. एंड यस, ऐसा ख्वाब मेरा भी है कि एक मेरा अलग से ऑफिस हो और काउंसलिंग रूम हो पहले तो स्कूल में, और वहाँ पे बच्चे पहले मैंने ऐसा सोचा था जो होता नहीं था, जो चिल्ड्रन यूज टू नॉट कम when they needed help, and now it has started happening, and now I have a counseling room. Now दूसरा ख्वाब ये है कि अपना अलग से ही एक, जैसे आपका लाइफ स्कूल है वैसे मेरा एक काउंसलिंग हब हो, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइन इन करें, जैसे आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं. लाइक सो मेनी पीपल आर joining hands to
जी.
do a better thing in the society, how we can give back to the society. So आप लोगों ने ये ख्वाब मेरे को भी दिखाया है कि कैसे यहाँ पे भी मैं दिल्ली में और गुड़गांव में ये सब चीजें शुरू करना चाहती हूँ.
Hello. Very nice, very nice. Thanks for sharing, and thanks a million to Atharva to start and get us connected to
Yes,
Basawa.
of course.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Hanji, Harshad.
Yeah.
Harshad Ritu.
So actually, I want to be the first man to land on Mars.
Really?
That was my dream. Yeah.
वो मैं ओम को भी भेज दूंगी आपके साथ. वो मार्स में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है.
Secondly, I was working on my other dream house, dream office, and yesterday night only I was just imagining my glass house on the rooftop and that satellite room on my rooftop.
Wow, beautiful. ये तो होना ही चाहिए जरूरी. पुणे में होगा?
Yes.
Done. Very nice, very nice. Rishi?
Happy morning, Joe.
Happy morning.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity and sharing my one of the dream. Right. मेरा जो ड्रीम थोड़ा सा रिलेट जो होता है ZNMD, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, उसमें जो ऋतिक का एंट्री कैरेक्टर है कि वो अपने वहां पे प्रीमाइसेस में लगातार कॉल अटेंड कर रहा है, एक बिजी लाइफ है, अपने फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर फुल फोकस है. राइट. वन पार्ट ऑफ दिस कि ऐसा बिजी शेड्यूल हो, और बिजी शेड्यूल के बाद भी मैं अपने फ्रेंड लोगों के लिए टाइम निकाल सकूं, राइट, जिनके साथ मैं एक ट्रिप पे जा सकूं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उसका कुछ हिस्सा मेरा कंप्लीट हुआ. जो मैं अगला ड्रीम है मेरा कि मैं कुछ ऐसा काम करूं जिसमें सोशल कॉज, जिसमें अपने सोसाइटी के लोगों या आने वाले अपकमिंग जो जनरेशन है उनके लिए मैं कुछ अच्छा कर सकूं. उसमें क्या हुआ है कि KMM ने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है, और उसको एक बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी KMM के साथ में मैं करना चाहता हूं कि बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट डाल सकूं मैं. थैंक यू सो मच. ये
वेरी नाइस. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू.
थैंक यू.
Gulsharan?
Happy morning, Joe.
Happy morning.
I want to start with my desire, like my one dream, and it is to be the captain of the Indian cricket team in all formats. And I want to lead out my team in out of the Lord's ground after a long haul.
Beautiful.
And I'm telling you, one day like there's a story that there was a cricketer, a English female cricketer known as Alice Perry,
Hmm.
and she was 24 when she went out to see a match in Bangalore, and Virat Kohli was 18 at that time. So after she saw the match and she was exiting the ground, Virat Kohli walked up to her. She didn't know that he was Virat Kohli. A 18-year-old boy walked up to her and said and told her that I'm going to be the name. And after 4, he recognized him as Virat Kohli. So
Hmm.
today I'm telling you that I am the next big thing in India's fast bowling unit. And one day you'll see my name on the India's jersey, and the jersey number will be 06.
Very good. All the best to you in that. We are all with you in this dream, and whatever required, we'll be able to stand by you. ठीक है? अगर तेरे
थैंक
को
यू,
थोड़ी
थैंक यू।
चपाट भी मारनी पड़े ना, कभी कभी लेजी हो गया तो भी
नहीं,
मैं कर
ये
सकती
हमारी फीमेल हिटलर है उसके लिए।
है. All the best to you. All the best. Yes. We'll listen to Pushparaj and then we will move ahead.
I
Yes,
want
yes.
to become the CM of Maharashtra.
You want to become the CM of Maharashtra?
Yes,
Okay. Chief Minister. Okay. Good, good, good. All the best.
thank you.
So that was our dreams. और मैं एक दिन तो मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर वाला करूंगी. मूवी में क्यों नहीं होता करके दिखाऊंगी, लेकिन वो मैंने अभी शू में करना है मैंने. So in the first part of the session, we've already begun the session when I started sharing the Mission Mangal story with you. The first part of the session, first 5 minutes is about recap and samavritti, that is box breathing. And the next part is about asking the students their desires, which they would want to convert into reality using a magic wand. Then we move on to talk about why is it that our desires don't become a reality. So we discuss about, imagine all of us in Pune would have definitely been some or the other time out at a signal where there is a traffic jam. And why is the traffic jam there? Because everybody wants to go at the same time and be the first one to. So that is also true with all our desires. If all my desires start becoming reality, then there will be a chaos. Especially after this mishap that happened with Air India flight in Ahmedabad, I know my brother is petrified to sit in a flight. He's like, मैं वो flight में बैठा और वो flight गिर गई तो. I mean, definitely these thoughts come, right? After the Pahalgam mishap, मैं अगर चली गई कश्मीर, I remember growing up, when I was growing up in the 9th, 10th standard, that time these terrorist attacks used to happen tremendously in the Kashmir area. And from that time, even today, as I was thinking about the session, I realized somewhere in my mind, I'm never motivated to go to Kashmir for a holiday. मैं सिंगापुर जाके आऊंगी, लंदन जाके आऊंगी, आई वांट टू गो एंड सी आइसलैंड, बट कश्मीर नहीं जाना है मुझे. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में ये डर है, अगर मैं जा रही हूँ, उसी दिन मिलिटेंट को पता चला मैं आने वाली हूँ और वो गन लेके आ गया और मुझे उड़ाने के लिए मेरे बॉडी पे भी इंडिया का फ्लैग बना दिया तो क्या हो. एंड आई हैव दीज थॉट्स लाइक Life school office is on the second floor. We have a mezzanine floor, and every day I walk up the stairs. 2 days back, there was a dog sitting over there in the middle, which doesn't move. और मेरा chemistry dogs के साथ बहुत अच्छा है. The most docile and the beautiful, loving dogs, when they see me, they start barking. I don't know क्या है. मतलब इतना अच्छा चेहरा है, ब्यूटीफुल हो, क्या है मेरे में पता नहीं, लेकिन ये केमिस्ट्री ऐसी है. मुझे देखता ही कुत्ता है ना भौंकने लगता. मेरे मासी का एक कुत्ता था, वो है ना मासी के बाहर ऐसे इन द ओल्डन हाउसेस ना, बाहर एक छोटा सा मोरी होता था, मतलब वन स्मॉल प्लेस वेयर दे यूज्ड टू वॉश द कपड़ा एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट फेलो यूज्ड टू कीप लाइंग डाउन इन दैट मोरी. वन डे आई डोंट नो, आई वेंट टू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम देयर, ही कॉट माय लेग. पूरा उसके ऐसे जबड़ा, मेरे पैर मेरे उसके जबड़े में था. And from that day, me and dogs can do namaste from a distance. We have started practicing hygiene rules of COVID right from a long time. तो मैं 2 दिन पहले वो था, I somehow managed to scrape through. But for the past 2 days, every time I put my step on the first, कुत्ता रहा तो, काट लिया तो, and imagine if this becomes a reality. वो तो जाने दो. I love my वो strawberry milkshake with a few kishmish on the top and one nice straw. And I'm taking that strawberry milkshake and suddenly Aushmalin, who's sitting in front of me, I don't know why he's looking at me with such eyes. He says, ये मेरे हाथ में आ जाए. मेरा स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्कशेक उसके पास चला जाएगा. फिर कल्याणी बोलेगी क्यों आउशु को, मुझे चाहिए. आउशु के पास चला जाएगा, फिर महक के पास चला जाएगा. My thoughts, if my desires start turning into reality, the moment I think about it, it's going to become a chaos. I think there was a movie of Siddharth Malhotra and Rakul Preet, where Ajay Devgan is some god, and he makes his wishes come reality, and how that exact mayhem happens in that movie. So God said, "See, I love you too much. God to see great ho." Correct, correct. That movie only. So God said, "Look, I love you all too much. I don't want you all to go through this. Hence, I'm going to create a law." And what is that law? All of us know that law very well. In life, I don't get what I desire. I get only that which I deserve. In life, I don't get all that I desire. I get only that which I deserve. And this was purely made to stop the confusion and the chaos happening. And to do something which is from a desire to a deserving. Is there a formula? Definitely there is one. See, I had the desire that I wanted to be somebody who takes KMM sessions. And today I am doing that. And is there something which has helped me? Definitely. Now I'm going to share that formula with you, one word at a time, and we'll see exactly how it helps us step by step. Here, we complete the second part of the session by introducing the need for desires, the chaos that happens because our desires are there, why this law has existed, and now in the next part, we are going to talk about the formula. Anybody, what is the first word of the formula? The formula definitely is CRSE.
Consistency.
Consistent.
Consistent. Second.
Refined.
Third.
Self-motivated.
Efforts.
So in the classroom, we go ulta. We go from below upar so that we establish the formula brilliantly well. First, we talk about efforts. Who has to take the efforts? I have to take the efforts. मेरे सामने वो स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क शेक है. Even if I sit and look at it with all the love and say, आजा, वो आने वाला नहीं है. मुझे वो उठा के पीना पड़ेगा. So whatever I want to do in my life, the effort has to be taken by me. I want a fit body, I have to go to exercise. I want good marks, I need to put the effort to study. I want to have a very good friendship with my partner, I have to take enough efforts to use 5-star communication, not practice, be Sukhiram even if things don't go well, and understand champ friend zaruri hota hai. So I have to take that effort to build a great friendship. And in effort, it's not just about putting the effort. It's about doing whatever it takes. With effort, it is doing about whatever it takes. Remember that story of Aruni? It's just not the mud that he put. It's not the stones. It's not the wood that he's put. Whatever it takes. I will stand by the crack if required, but I will ensure that the waters don't destroy the crops in the field. Some of us have gone to the classrooms this week, and there are 4 students and 5 students because of the rain. Now, there's a school called Camp Education, Boys High School in Babajan Chowk. Harshad, Naresh, Dilip, and Ravi go to that school. And when I saw the photographs of that school, I was wondering कि ये 6-7 बच्चों के साथ सेशन कैसे लिया है. But for them, it is whatever it takes. 6 है ना, 6 के साथ एफर्ट लगाएंगे, 6 के साथ ब्रिलियंट मोमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे. And then there are videos about the 6 of them writing letters brilliant. Whatever it takes. I remember there was a time when our sessions used to be the life lessons at Mahavir Pratishthan, and it used to be the top 4 floors. And there are times when there was no lift. And one of the life schoolers had serious leg issues. And we used to tell them, we'll make you sit on the chair and take it out. Said, no, मुझे life lesson attend करना है ना, I will walk. She will take 25 minutes to walk up those 4 flights, but she will walk up and say, I have to attend the session, I will come up. On the days when the lifts did not work. Whatever it takes to achieve. And isn't that what Mission Mangal also showed us? Whatever it takes. एक बार जाके नीचे आ गया, चुप नहीं बैठे. Second time भी हमको करना ही. So just putting efforts is not enough. What kind of efforts we put? Whatever it takes. 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार, 10 बार. All of you know about Zavre's classes. They teach accountancy classes in Pune. It's on this Navi Pet, Tilak Road se aage. And I had the privilege to meet the senior Zavre sir along with Naren. And he was telling us that when he wanted to learn his chartered accountancy, he hails from a village and he was not conversant with English very well. And he had gotten a small room in near Wadia College. And he's saying, मुझे बोला गया था कि तुमको इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, तो तुम कैसे करोगे ये पढ़ाई पूरी इंग्लिश में होती है. He said, अगर कोई इंग्लिश बोलने वाला बंदा 4 घंटा पढ़ के ले सकता है, मैं 10 घंटा पढ़ूंगा. But I will cross it. He was amongst the toppers that year in CA examinations all across India. And today also, every year when the exams happen, students form his institute, top the charts. That's the kind of efforts, whatever it takes. I am not a natural public speaker. Though it looks effortless and on stage it will look like, जो कितना अच्छा करती है. I'm not a natural public speaker. In these days when I'm taking the sessions, if you meet me from Monday, today Sunday ना, ये वाला गया वाला Monday से, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, in the part of the office where I am, Tyra attempts to not be there at all. And nowadays Mehak is also at office with us. She'll also sit where Naren sits over there. The moment she'll come to office, she'll say, मैं जाती हूँ उधर. Why? I'm a bubbling volcano. And while so, I want the session to be brilliant. I want to give my 100%. And I'm not a natural speaker. You won't believe it. I have to read the session at least 20 times before delivery. Really? Yes, really, not exaggerating. And sometimes now, I get that look from people around me. इतना क्यों ड्रामा चल रहा है? इतना प्रिपेयर करने का जरूरत है क्या? Then मुझे लगता है, whatever it takes, so that I can give a seamless, beautiful session. I don't sit crying. नरेन के जैसा मुझे ऐसा आइडिया क्यों नहीं आता है. नरेन तो ऐसे मेडिटेशन से आंख खोलते, स्टोरी बोलते, एवरीबडी लिसन्स इन रैप्ट अटेंशन. और कुछ भी सेशन भी लिया तो जो तुम ले रही हो, लेकिन नरेन लेते हैं ना, क्या लगता है उस सेशन में. मुझे सुनाई दिया है, ऐसे 2-3 कमेंट्स आए हैं, बट एनीवेज आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू टू टेक द सेशंस नाइसली एंड बिकमिंग बेटर एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. बट I have decided whatever it takes. Sessions अच्छे जा रहे हैं ना? Say yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You're my best friend. Love you. Jokes apart. Efforts is just not efforts, but whatever it takes. And in whatever it takes, excellence also becomes a part of it. Thank you, Tejal. If AC है ना, boss के पास से आगे all the 26 ACs तो salute. Whatever it takes. First part of effort. An effort. What kind of efforts? Absolutely excellent, 100%, giving my best and whatever it takes. Second step in the formula is self-driven. Okay. And to explain self-driven, I remember this one story that Naren had shared. I think in 2023, there is one, thank you, Payal, you're my darling. मैसेज में लिखा है, जो आप भी ब्रिलियंट सेशन लेते हो, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच। क्या ना, थोड़ी तारीफ चाहिए ना, तो थोड़ा करना पड़ता है, मिलती है फिर तारीफ। आस्क क्वेश्चंस, मिल जाता है मांगने से। Let's come back. So, self-driven, and Naren had shared this with us. So, one fine morning, a mother is waking up her son and saying, "उठ जा बेटा, school चला जा." So he's saying, "नहीं मम्मा, आज नहीं जाना, आज बोर हो रहा है." After 5 minutes, she comes again and says, "बेटा उठ जा बेटा, तू जा school, जाना जरूरी है तेरा." नहीं मम्मा, आज बोर हो रहा है. Third time she comes and he gets a little irritated. "Mama, tell me one good reason why I should go to the school." And mama says, "Bacha, because you're the principal of the school. You have to go to school." So, self-driven is important. It has to come from inside. I can't always wait for the ghantis around me to happen. And the brilliant part is, धक्का कितने बार कौन देगा हमको? Me and Mehak used to have these conversations. And when she was a little younger, about goals, and बेचारी सोचो इसका क्या हालत होता होगा. एक तो नरेन फादर है, फिर भारती मदर है, फिर नीरज गोयलानी उसका भाई है. एंड इफ दैट वाज नॉट ऑल, देख एक शी कॉल्स मी हार्ट सिस्टर, एक हार्ट सिस्टर मिल गई है, जो वो फोन भी करेगी ना, फोन उठाएगी भी तो आई विल टेल हर, पढ़ाई कर रही है क्या, फोन देख रही है? एंड शी इज लाइक, हेलो, आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट द टाइम, इमेजिन. एंड व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू हैव दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस, आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर, तेरे को कौन कितना धक्का मारेगा, 2 दिन मारेगा, 3 दिन मारेगा, रोज थोड़ी ना मारेगा, थोड़ा ना कोई एफर्ट लेगा. Sorry Mehak, peace with you. I know you've gone through a little at my stake, but coming back to the point, people will push us till a little time for some years, but not always. And when I'm self-driven, what happens? My self-belief increases when I'm self-driven. In 2023, I decided कि अब बस, इसके बाद मेरी एक्सरसाइज को लेके किसी के मन में क्वेश्चन नहीं होना चाहिए कि जो करती है या नहीं करती. एंड आई हैव शेयर्ड विथ यू, आई हैव जॉइन्ड दिस योगा क्लासेस every day morning 7:30 to 8:15. You attempt to call me, I'll not come on the call. Yes, KMM sessions के दिन में there are multitasking happening. So if I'm calling you and asking you na कि are you on the way, I must be doing one Surya Namaskar and then doing the phone and then saying are you on the way. So yoga and sessions happen together, but that's not stop. And in this, yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, self-driven. And last year in September, just before Star of the Future Awards, I got a minor attack of chikungunya. I wonder why they call it chikun, but anyways, chikungunya. And I should tell you, these fingers na, ये finger का size इतना हो गया था. And I was not able to hold a cup to drink chai. For those 4 days, मैंने चाय नहीं पिया. लेकिन 7:30 in the morning, सौरभ बोत्रा का योगा कर. And he says something brilliantly. He's saying पूरा नहीं होता है ना, 5 मिनट करो लेकिन करो. हाथ नहीं हल रहा है ना, सूर्य नमस्कार करना है ना, पैर से ऊपर नीचे बेड को पकड़ के करो लेकिन करो. Because I am self-driven, the way I have started looking up to myself is out of the roof. किसी को मुझे धक्का मारने की जरूरत नहीं. I am not a donkey. मैं दौड़ने वाला, जीतने वाला घोड़ा, घोड़ी, whatever हूं, लेकिन मैं डोंकी तो नहीं. कोई मुझे धक्का नहीं मारेगा. आई विल बी सेल्फ. और ये सेल्फ ड्रिवन बनने के लिए ना, वी हैव टू अटैच समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल एट द एंड ऑफ व्हाट वी वांट टू. सो अगर मैंने योगा करना है, एवरी डे आई विल वॉच 2 सीरियल्स एक्स्ट्रा इफ आई डू माई योगा प्रॉपर. आई लव वॉचिंग टीवी. मतलब जिंदगी में अगर कोई चीज चाहिए, 1 कप चाय और शाम को सब टीवी चाहिए. That is my reward. I don't want a medal. I don't want an award. I don't want expensive holidays. I don't want a beautiful big house. 1 कप चाय और 2 सीरियल की कीमत तुम क्या जानो. That kind of a feeling I have. But for that, if I've exercised, I'll do it. Otherwise, I won't. And this has worked brilliantly well for me. So when I put efforts, I don't only put whatever it takes kind of efforts, I put self-driven efforts, especially so that I enjoy the process. I enjoy my yoga. I love to take the sessions. When I'm studying, if I'm self-driven, even if maths is boring, I will finish it fast because it's required to be done. So that's self-driven. These are the first two parts of the session that we will take, and then move to the next. Here we can also mention that there are three types of students any teacher has. One who gives up halfway, two who does whatever is expected out of them, and three who does a little extra. You remember the photograph we just showed you? That Tiranga flower, Jhanda banaya hai letter pe? That's doing a little extra. Aruni, doing a little extra. And those are the people who actually run towards making their desires into reality. So efforts and self-driven efforts. The third part is refined. And this, I think, is the most important part of the entire session. Refinement. And to explain this, Naren shared two brilliant stories with me, which I'm going to share with you. Do you all know Sachin Tendulkar? Who is Sachin Tendulkar? कौन है? अरे सचिन तेंदुलकर कौन है? बोलिए ना तो. क्रिकेटर. कैसा वाला क्रिकेटर है? गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट. करेक्ट, गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट. अब hundreds of centuries, hundreds obviously. नहीं, कितनी centuries है? 100 क्रॉस हो गए? 100 centuries.
Exactly 100.
Exactly 100 centuries. What do you say about his achievements? I mean, normal, ordinary, extraordinary, brilliant. कैसे है उसके achievements? Extraordinary. So this is a part inside the classroom where we get engagement from the students. Hence, I'm asking you, you take the efforts, self-driven efforts. मुझे push करने मत लगाइए. We can bring home the point of being self-driven by the way people answer inside the classroom. Do you think Sachin knows his game well? Yes, na? Yes. Brilliantly, na? There was a time when Sachin was at the peak and then came a dip. 1 run pe out, 2 runs pe out. He was not understanding kya ho raha hai. And one of those tours, when he got out early on the field, in the evening, he was sitting in his hotel room and he has ordered coffee. And a waiter got coffee for him. And you know, as he was serving coffee, सचिन तेंदुलकर को कॉफी देने का भी क्या एक्सपीरियंस होगा ना. मतलब अमेजिंग ना, टू मीट दैट गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट. कॉफी चाय मैं दे दूंगी उसको अगर मेरे को मिलने का चांस मिला तो. एंड ही इज वेरी नाइस. राहुल द्रविड़ एंड सचिन तेंदुलकर, वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ. I met both of them when I was about 15 years old, and I still feel the handshake of Rahul Dravid. Amazing, brilliant handshake. So this waiter comes with coffee, and as he's serving coffee to Sachin Tendulkar, he says, "Sir, मुझे आपको है ना कुछ बोलना है. बोल सकता हूँ?" So Sachin says, "हाँ बताइए." And he says, "आपको क्रिकेट के बारे में बोलना है अगर आप माइंड नहीं करें." So he says, "Yeah, बताइए, डेफिनेटली बताइए." So he said, "Sir, आप है ना, जब से आपने ये आर्म पैड पहनना चालू किया है ना, और आप जब शॉट मारते हो ना, तो आपका आर्म पैड है ना, वो आपके लेग पैड से ब्रश होता है. और वो ब्रश होने में वो जो फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ सेकंड का डिले होता है ना, उससे आप वो बॉल को लिफ्ट करके ऊपर मार नहीं सकते." आई एम नॉट अ ग्रेट cricket expert, but whatever Naren said, I'm bringing around to you. And Sachin realized that's exactly why I'm not performing of late. He did a little research. He got his team working. He modified his arm pad, gotten it to a place where it didn't strike his leg pad, and he got into form again. That is refinement. Imagine, at the peak of his career, somebody who's called the god of cricket takes a small feedback from a waiter and refines his game. One thing that has been very disturbing of late is people are very vulnerable to feedbacks. कुछ भी छोटा भी बोला तो ज्यादा दिल पे लग जाता है. Of course, there are things happening around. There's too much of info coming, whatever emotional hurdles are there, all that one side. But the fact is, we are today very vulnerable to feedbacks. We can't take it. Forget about us. My 4-year-old Kyra can't take a feedback. If I tell her something, she'll go and sit like this in the corner. उसको पूछा क्या हो गया, तो she says, मैं बहुत सैड हो गई है, डैडा मेरे को चिल्लाया है. This 4-year-old can't take it. And that's because refinement is not a part of us. Okay, I'm taking a session. And if you all have not observed, in the session of Talu, I have counted it approximately, I have said okay 57, 58 or 60 times. When I was listening back to the session, I don't see my sessions again. Honestly, I feel very embarrassed. But I was seeing it because we were making this podcast thing. And I have said okay 58 times. Naren being magnanimous, he didn't point it out to me. And in the next, during the preparation, I told him, अबे मैंने वो सेशन में ओके 58 टाइम्स बोला है. He started laughing. हाँ बेटा तूने बोला हुआ है. नेक्स्ट सेशन मेरा ओके 3 बार आया, गिन के 3 बार. कम्युनिकेशन वाले सेशन में 3 बार आया. बट ठीक है, वो उतना रिफाइनमेंट चलता है, अभी वो भी निकल जाएगा. आज मैंने सुबह से एक भी बार नहीं बोला है ओके. अगर बोल दिया रहेगा सबकॉन्शियसली तो ठीक है, बट कॉन्शियसली तो नहीं बोला है. सेकेंड थिंग, if you have not noticed, when I stand on the stage and take the session now, I'm standing एकदम straight. I'm used to taking sessions like that. ये chair वाले session का आदत नहीं है मुझे. So in the first 3 sessions now online, I have done this. Dang, 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 dang. I have moved a lot. Today I said कुछ भी हो जाए, ये सर्कस करने का नहीं है सेशन के. So where I'm sitting now right now, if you see no, I am stuck to the table. My legs are jam packed under the table क्योंकि वो टेबल पे वहां पे एक रॉड है. I can't move my foot. पैर में वो मूंगी आती है ना, मूंगी आते हैं, मतलब वो पैर में वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको इंग्लिश में, जो भी है, हिंदी में मूंगी बोलते हैं हम लोग. वो मूंगी आ चुकी है दोनों पैर में, मैं पैर हिला नहीं सकती हूँ. लेकिन नो डांस लेट्स डांस, नो डांस, स्टैंड स्टिल. आई स्टिल हैव अ लिटिल बेटर. कभी कभी मैं ऐसी हो जाती हूँ, एक्साइटमेंट में ना सेशन में ऐसा हो जाता है. बट रिफाइनमेंट पीछे बैठ के आराम से ना, स्मॉल थिंग्स ऑफ रिफाइनमेंट कैन मेक सो मच चेंजेस. एंड माई ब्रिलियंट मतलब माई ब्रिलियंट नहीं, वन ब्रिलियंट एग्जाम्पल है ऑलवेज टेक इज हु इन्वेंटेड द टेलीफोन. People over here are saying Graham Bell. Sorry, to destroy your knowledge of general knowledge and history. It was not prepared by him. It was modified by him. One nice scientist who was making that telephone could not alternate the current in the telephone. So I would need one phone to listen to Saurabh and another phone to speak to Saurabh. वो alternate नहीं हो रहा था. एक फोन में सुनाई देना और बात करना नहीं पॉसिबल था. एक दिन वो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया. एफर्ट भी डाला, सेल्फ ड्रिवन भी था, लेकिन रिफाइनमेंट में उसका है ना डब्बा गोल हो गया. बोला मेरे को करना नहीं है, वो लेके जाके उसने एक गराज में फेंक दिया. No, the genius about geniuses like Graham Bell is they go and they use these junkyards as their experiment grounds. वहां पे ना वो पुर्जे मिलते हैं, junk parts, spare parts. So he went there and he saw this machine. और मशीन में ऐसे alternate नहीं हो रहा. He kept on experimenting, kept on refining different ways. And he found a screw which he turned. ऐसा स्क्रू है जिसमें वायर लपेटा हुआ है, उसने टर्न किया 1/4 of an inch. कितना? 1/4 of an inch. तो अगर इतना इंच है तो इतकू सा 1/4 of an inch. And current started alternating. And see the results of refinement. The invention of the telephone, the credit goes to Graham Bell and not the scientist who left it midway. That is the power of refinement. I may be doing something that everybody has done always, but with refinement, I can create history. That's the power of refinement. Another example that sir gave me was, some of you wonder why I tell Naren sir beach mein. It's not addressing his sir. बट समटाइम्स यू नो इतना रिस्पेक्ट आता है ना कि वो सर मुंह में से निकल जाता है ऐसे, मतलब, एंड आई लाइक इट. सो सर बोल रहे थे मुझे कि वरुण आरोन करके एक क्रिकेटर है. ही इज बीन इन राजस्थान रॉयल्स एंड दीज डिफरेंट टीम्स आल्सो. ही इज प्लेइंग फॉर डरहम एंड लाइचेस्टर एज वेल. And in one of those interviews, he was saying that, his coach, Subrata Banerjee, before I go ahead with this, ये वाला एक बोलना जरूरी है. वो कौन सा क्रिकेटर है इंडिया में जिसने है ना टॉप नॉच गेम खेला है. एक सबसे अच्छे हिस्टोरिकल मैच में उसने 6 मार के इंडिया को जिताया भी, लेकिन उसको आज तक एक भी नेशनल इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेलने का चांस नहीं मिला और मेडल नहीं मिला. कौन सा क्रिकेटर है वो? एनीबडी? नो राजेश चौहान, नोबडी. भुवन फ्रॉम लगान. भुवन आमिर खान ऑफ लगान. ये अच्छा वाला है, ये जो ताली बजना चाहिए इसके ऊपर. Some of you, if you've not gotten it, Bhuvan from Lagan, remember that last match he plays 6 से इंडिया को लगान हटा दिया. उसको आज तक कोई मेडल नहीं मिला है. ये मारना क्या क्लास में, मतलब थोड़ा लाइट मोमेंट हो जाएगा रिफाइनमेंट. सो लेट्स कम बैक टू वरुण आरोन. एंड वरुण आरोन को सुब्रतो बैनर्जी. सो वरुण आरोन इज अ फास्ट पेस बॉलर एंड एज ही इज बॉलिंग वो इन स्विंग नहीं डाल सकता है. सी रिफाइनमेंट, नो क्रिकेट, बट मैं डाल के भी दिखा रही हूँ. ऐसे थोड़ा सा तो करना पड़ेगा ना, रिफाइनमेंट सेशन ले रहे. सो ही वाज नॉट एबल टू बोल इट. एंड ही इन दैट इंटरव्यू, आई विल सेंड यू द क्लिप. In that interview, he says he went to his coach, Subrata Banerjee, and he said, "Kya hai yaar? I have to do it. Otherwise, I'll have to bowl more overs, and that's not done. And I have to improve my game." So Subrata Banerjee said, "Do one thing. पैंट में पॉकेट है?" So he said, हाँ पैंट में पॉकेट है. So पॉकेट को है ना बाहर निकालो, मतलब ऐसे लटकने दो बाहर पॉकेट. So सर इससे क्या होगा? So आपका गेम बेटर हो जाएगा. And Varun does not understand क्या चल रहा है. So he removes his pocket and he says, now when you bowl, when you are taking the hand up और नीचे जाता है, attempt to flick the pocket. मतलब pocket को ऐसे धक्का मार के पीछे लेके. This guy did that. When he's about to bowl, he flicked the pocket. हाथ ऊपर आया, बराबर इन स्विंग चला गया. He says, ये क्या है? Psychological subconscious coaching का बाप है ये. I went, I did one Shashwat Dandvat Pranam to him, and after that, that's never been his issue, not to be able to bowl it. क्या रिफाइनमेंट किया? जब वो नॉर्मली बॉल डाल रहा था, उसका हाथ बराबर से पीछे जाके आगे नहीं आ रहा था, इसलिए वो इन स्विंग नहीं डाल पा रहा. वो करने के लिए पॉकेट बाहर निकालो. पॉकेट को अगर झटका मारा तो बराबर ऐसे आएगा. That's called refinement. And that's how I become a better person, a better performer. And don't we all do it every day? If I enter a room for the first time and there are 6 switches, I put on the first one, the light doesn't go on, I switched off. I put on the next one, the light doesn't go on, I switch it off. Till I don't reach the switch which puts the light on. Don't I keep refining? So life is all about refining. And who is able to do refinement? Somebody who's not scared of failure. Because failure is an experiment, not work. I'll refine it and make it better. I'll refine it and make it better. And this becoming better. So say I'm studying for a competitive exam. I give a mock test. I get very low marks. What do? Find out where things have not worked out, refine, move ahead and score the marks. If I'm able to do refinement, which also includes taking feedbacks from people without emotions here, then my pace to become better becomes very, very fast. So efforts, whatever it takes, self-driven because I deserve to have a great self-belief, refined because I need to be an amazingly excellent performer, open to suggestions and refinements, and last, consistency. अपना जो हार्ट है ना, it does all, it's taking efforts. So कभी कभी है ना, अगर सर्दी जुकाम हो जाए, तबीयत ठीक हो जाए, तो वो खुद एफर्ट्स लेके ज्यादा एफर्ट डाल के बाहर पंप करता है ब्लड. सेल्फ ड्रिवन है. यू डोंट हैव टू वन ऑफ दोज डेज लुक एट योर हार्ट एंड से, ए भाई आज बीट करना बाबा, आज पंप करना बाबा, आज तो छुट्टी पे मत जाना बाबा. ऐसा नहीं होता है, अपने आप ही सेल्फ ड्रिवन है. एंड देन इट डज व्हाटएवर इट टेक्स. एंड रिफाइनमेंट, if 4 arteries are blocked, it will still keep pumping. And consistent. Absolutely consistent. बोलना नहीं पड़ता है आज कर कल मत कर, वो रोज करता है. वो सूरज की जैसे रोज करता है और जैसे सूरज सेट होता है वो वैसे ही रहता है. It will never stop, consistently beat. If I have to climb the ladder of achievement, I have to have consistent, refined, self-driven efforts as a formula that I follow. And each one of us follows this formula brilliantly well first thing in the morning. Where, when we are doing our job on the pot, consistent. आधे में तो छोड़ के आ नहीं सकते, बार बार जाना पड़ेगा. रिफाइंड तो होना है, सही जगह पे जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मुझे ही साफ करना है. सेल्फ ड्रिवन. I mean, I don't know about many people, but I think 99% तो don't have to be told. आज जा, उठ जा, आज भी तेरे को पॉटी है, जा पॉटी करके. ऐसा तो नहीं है. And efforts, I only have to put the efforts. So imagine in a simple act like doing my job in the morning, CRSE is already a part of us. This example has to be taken inside the classroom, definitely. All boys and girls love potty jokes. Okay? They love potty jokes. If you're somebody who says, potty का नाम सुन के ही ना मेरा visualization ऐसे हो जाता है. Consistent, refined, self-motivated efforts. मतलब रिफाइन करो थिंकिंग को, और ये एग्जाम्पल अच्छे से लो क्लास में, थोड़ा सा ऐसे पंप अप करके, बट लेना जरूरी है. दिस विल मेक यू लुक कूल फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. इफ यू कैन से पॉटी जोक्स विद अ स्माइल, नॉट फीलिंग एकदम, they will feel, boss, this person understands me brilliantly well, absolutely well. I mean, if you can be cool about potty jokes, you are my inspiration in life, that kind of. So CRSE is always a part of. And if I put that, I change what is my desire into my deserve. There will be times, like in Mission Mangal, where we do whatever it takes. We are putting the effort, but still in the first attempt, the rocket goes up and comes back. It just means it's an attempt which needs a little more refinement. So with this session, if we can do something brilliant in the classrooms, it is this. Ask the students to refine their word from failure to refinement. If I don't achieve something, I am not a failure. I am somebody who needs a little refinement. If I don't achieve what I set out for, I'm not a failure. I just need little refinement. And that's why I said this is the most important part of the entire formula, refinement. People had written of Sachin Tendulkar, what he actually needed was a little refinement, and he came back to form. People had written of Virat Kohli a few years back. He just needed a little refinement and he came back to form. And likewise with any example that you take. Even if you take the latest youngster Gukesh, he would have lost n number of matches, but a game cannot be played well unless I refine it. And today he becomes the youngest teenager to get the chess championship title. If I want to do something great with my life, if I really truly want to achieve my desires into my deservings, then this is a simple formula, CRSE. Consistent, refined, self-motivated, self-driven efforts. And as we end this part of the session, we must mention about keep moving movement, because the students will have a little idea, but how we have applied CRSE in keep moving movement to make it what it is today. I remember when we started off, it was 20 of us and Naren. And you know, Naren used to check every session. We had to write it down and bring a word to word. And we have to present it to him. And this Joe has gone through a thing where the paper has been torn off in front of me. ये क्या सेशन लेके आया है? ऐसे सेशन लेता है? ये टॉपिक है? And from there, to decide, it's not only going to be Naren who's going to be taking the sessions. Let's have a few ACs who are going to groom the volunteers. And that's how we did that. ACs came in, it became a full, क्या बोलते हैं, group like the army has. And then it was only life schoolers taking the sessions. We realized we need to spread further refinement. We attempted to get non-life schoolers in. And it was such a brilliant move. Such a brilliant move. So many beautiful people joined this community. Then came COVID. And in that year of COVID, I remember public speaking training kaise lenge? And I cannot speak enough about this guy who walks into the office and says, I was in school when I all took KMM session for me, and I have to ensure it reaches. And the entire online public speaking format was the brainchild of Aditya Saraya. Aditya, to you always, because of you, I think we have served through the COVID season of KMM. I didn't know how to use Zoom. I didn't know how to use Google. And he said, मैम कर लेंगे ना. आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही कॉल्स मी मैम, जो दीदी नहीं, मैम अच्छा लगता है वही बोल, अच्छा लगता है, मेरे आइडेंटिटी हो गए तेरे साथ ये रिलेशनशिप में सब. So much so that in COVID times we have taught principals to use Google Meet and Zoom. Can you believe that? They used to call us with queries, ये नहीं चल रहा है, वो नहीं चल रहा है, and we've helped schools to run their sessions online because of COVID. And in the COVID time, we had the maximum outreach. Can you believe that? फिजिकल में हम जब जाते हैं ना 300, हम लोग 15,000 18,000 बच्चे हो सकते हैं. कोविड के टाइम पे वी क्रॉस्ड अप टू 28,000 स्टूडेंट्स दैट ईयर. It's a different thing that schools don't give online schools right now, but 28,000 students. And Aditya, that year you can write down as a golden year in your life. You surpassed all boundaries that probably could have changed KMM. And KMM 2.0 is because of you. So, love you always for that. Public speaking training happened online. We have been training people online. Sessions have been happening online. Induction meetings and online का hybrid. Refinement ही refinement चल रहा है. And then comes one Padmaja and says, KMM ठीक है, लेकिन उसको vertical लेके जाओ. So then these collaborations come, like I spoke last time, Akshay Patra के साथ कर रहे हैं. We are having some principals. Do you know this year we are having at least 8 principals who are taking KMM sessions in their schools. 8 principals. हम लोग प्रिंसिपल्स के पास जाते थे, मैम हमको लेने दीजिए, एंड वी आर गेटिंग कॉल सेइंग दैट ये बहुत ब्रिलियंट है, आई वुड लाइक टू टेक इट फॉर माय स्कूल. 8 प्रिंसिपल्स, एंड आई नो दिस इज जस्ट द बिगनिंग फर्स्ट. वॉलंटियर्स एफर्ट डालते हैं क्या? 100% दे गिव व्हाटएवर इट टेक्स. सेल्फ ड्रिवन, अमेजिंगली सेल्फ ड्रिवन. आई डोंट रिमेंबर इन 25 years I have had to call anybody and say उठ जा आज तेरा सेशन है. कभी नहीं. मतलब वो उठ जाते हैं, ड्राइव करके जाते हैं, पानी बरसात कुछ भी रहने दो, जाते. रिफाइंड, ब्रिलियंटली वेल रिफाइंड. Every session, even if we are taking CRSE for the nth time, how can we refine the session and make it little more exciting and palatable to the students? And consistent, definite. 25 years of KMM. And you know, if you all have ever met Naren after an achievement, I think Raj will vouch about this with me. Whenever he achieves something brilliant, and he calls Naren boss and he says, boss को मिलने आना, बताना है मैंने ऐसे से किया है. He comes, and by the time he is going ना, उसके चेहरे पे ना ऐसे, मतलब you come sit with him, share your achievements, and then he'll say, don't rest on your past glories. What is the next goal? And then when Raj leaves, he is now on the next mission. तो ये लास्ट सेशन में कर दिया. जिन्होंने भी 25 years, मैं, रीटा, विकास भाव, प्रशांत, इतने साल के एमएम ले लिया है ना, अभी लेटर में है ना प्रॉमिस देने लगा दिया, टिल द लास्ट ब्रेथ ऑफ माय लाइफ लाइक द सोल्जर्स, हम के एमएम लेते रहे. मतलब रिफाइनमेंट और कंसिस्टेंसी चलते ही रहे. सो 25 years CRSE live in front of our eyes. Some students have joined back, some students have I'll share a clip with you about a student in Pankaj Mandane's class who, because of KMM, went on to work at the UN. It was about 4 years back, but I've just discovered that clip from my bank, my video bank, and I'll share that with you. And maybe one of those days, what do you say? The Prime Minister of the country will stand from the stage and say, I am the Prime Minister of the country because one Vikas Bhandari came to my class in DAV and he said, you can dream big. क्या बोलते हो विकास भाव? पॉसिबल, राइट? डिजायर कर सकते हो और उसको डिजर्विंग में हम चेंज ही कर रहे. सो KMM is a living example of CRSE in practice. consistent, refined, self-motivated, self-driven efforts, n number of lives changed, our lives changed, and a beautiful future for our country. We end the third part with this. And then the last part. Now, the last part is the most important for the volunteers. In the past 3 or 4 sessions this year, the earlier our sessions used to be motivation and go and give our knowledge. Then it was a little engagement. And then this year, the motto is implementation driven engagement. I stand as a true example of the session that I take inside the classroom, because only then the conviction comes. So the last part of the session is we decide on a desire or a habit or a small goal that can be achieved in the next 15 days before we go to the classrooms. And then one by one, we help the students write down and break down their goals into CRSE. So the first part, for the next 15 days, do you wish to take up a small task or a goal or a habit that you want to build? Each one of us is going to write that down right now. Like for me, I have stopped writing and I want to write the book as I shared with you in the Talu session. This is what I'm going to complete definitely by the year end. So my goal is to start the process of writing so that we can start the book. So that's my goal for this next 15 days, start my process of writing again. So for you, what is a small goal or a habit that you will pick up for the next 15 days? Very good. Raj has written, I will walk 10,000 steps every day. If you want to share, you can raise your hands. We'll listen to 2, 3, or you can also add it to the chat. With your permission, I'll just take a sip of water. It could be a hobby building. It could be exercise, definitely. Madhu, I'm going to work on my YouTube from 0 to 5 videos in 15 days. Brilliant. So Madhu, you will have 5 videos in the next 15 days. Am I right? Shweta? Okay. ठीक है, Shweta. Brilliant. Very nice. Will read every day 5 pages before I sleep. Vijay Rathi. Brilliant. All the best to you. I will continue my wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Music riyaz every day. Learn 10 new words daily. Very nice. Very nice. Brilliant. This is your goal. Start writing 1 LinkedIn post every day. All the best. Work out for 45 minutes. Very nice. Exercise every day. So many, na? Exercise is such a brilliant thing. Start the day on a winning note. Very, very nice. Now what we will do is, now let's break it down into CRSE. No sugar, exercise daily for 50 minutes. 103 Surya Namaskar every day. Rita, love you, love you. All the best. Every day for 15 days. Arey wah. Very nice. KMM life lessons with strangers or friends who I wish to change. Very nice. चलिए अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पेज पे अगर आपने गोल लिखा हुआ है उसके नीचे लिखिए एफर्ट्स. पेज पे अगर गोल लिखा हुआ है उसके नीचे लिखिए एफर्ट्स. ओके. नाउ फॉर दिस गोल दैट वी हैव सेट, what is the effort that I'm willing to put? Not just the effort, what is the extra effort that I'm willing to put? For example, if I want to write every day, what is the effort? I will write, say, 500 words every day. What will be the extra efforts that I take? I will ensure that these 500 pages are zero defect. It can be published as they are. I don't need refinement after that. Or I am exercising every day. Say, Rita, can I take your example through the exercise for 103 Surya Namaskar? Brilliant. So 103 Surya Namaskar she is going to do, and she realizes first day after थोड़ा 20 लास्ट 20 रहता है ना, तभी ज्यादा एफर्ट लगता है. तो एक्स्ट्रा कैसे करें? Probably do 5 minutes of pranayam and then continue. So that pranayam becomes an extra effort along with it, so that I sustain more. Take a little breaks and then complete 100. So now pen down. What kind of efforts daily? Is there something extra required? And what will you do that you normally don't do? So maybe, say Rita wakes up at 4:30 to do her yoga. Normally, the moment she wakes up, she'll not eat anything and move into yoga. But if she has 3-4 badam na, that just gives her that spike of energy. So is there something extra that is required that will help me keep putting the efforts? Okay. So just take a couple of minutes and write down what are the kind of efforts we're going to put. What we're attempting to do is make the students pen down every step so that they exactly know which point has to be correct. Anybody who would like to share, one person whom can, for their goal, what is the effort that they're going to take? You can just raise your hands and I would like to listen to your voice. One person. Yes, Parag.
So the goal that you have decided a night before, do a small planning of that particular activity in your mind and repeat it. So that helps you get it into reality.
Absolutely. So you'll do a one night before planning as well for it. That's an extra effort that you will take.
Yeah. Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Wish you all the best. Shweta?
I'll go to the studio to record. So there's a place next to the house which is for recording. I will go there every day because I want to go, but just out of laziness, I don't go there. So I will go there at a particular time. I will give a stipulated time. But at this time, I will go every day and record my video.
Very nice. So it's just not effort, but that little bit extra that you are doing.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you. Yes, Saurabh. And then we move on.
So, as I plan to do 15 minutes exercise on a daily basis, I would put in an effort to wake up 20 minutes early every day to achieve this target of mine.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank
and
you.
that 20 minute just becomes the motivation enough, right? Abhi time hai to kar lijiye.
Absolutely. Thank you.
True. Very nice. And I think some of have come in the chat also. Let me read out that to you. I will run at least 4 times a week. Efforts will start early every day, so to start the run. Okay. Wake up at 4:30 for meditation. Brilliant. So this is the first part of the thing. Next, write down self-driven. Okay. In self-driven, we help the students to answer the why for this goal, which is very, very important. We are self-driven for KMM because we know we want to create an impact. That why is very strong. So for my goal of writing, the why is very strong. ये जो wisdom KMM का है ना, it should reach to as many people as possible in a formatted manner. Hence that book. So if Rita is going to do 103 Surya Namaskar, and if she has to defeat probably sometime laziness that crops in, her why has to be very strong. Why are you doing this? I think one of the reasons that I'm self-driven for yoga is because I've seen my father suffer so much in the last 3 years of his life. I have decided at the end of my life, I don't want to suffer so much because of illness. And every day morning, that why becomes my reason, in spite of health issues, to stand up and do my yoga. So why is it important to me? What is the real reason why I want to achieve this goal? A pick of a few new hands. My why, I want to reach a larger audience because I have seen that the limited audiences benefiting. Very nice. Shweta, I believe you take these meditation classes, na?
Yes, I take them every day and I take it for all 20 people. So if these stories can help them, I think it will help the larger audience.
Brilliant, brilliant. Very nice. Rishi?
Next 15 days, I will start a series of LinkedIn posts because I want to promote myself and I will be do for the personal branding on LinkedIn platform.
So I need to personally brand myself, and that I want to start
Yeah.
with the LinkedIn platform. Very nice,
Yes.
very nice. Rita?
Thank you.
So I had done this few years back in CRSE only, and that year I became so slim and trim. I admire my pictures of those times. So I want to look slim and trim again. So that will be my why.
Wow, beauty and the brains. हम दोनों कंपटीशन करेंगे, फिर साथ में जाएंगे 10 स्कूल की गर्ल्स. Very nice. Tasneem?
Hello. Yes,
Hi.
I want to. My goal is not slim or anything, is to stay fit and healthy, flexible, especially so because I want to be able to dance at my grandson's wedding. मतलब मुझे फिट रहना है कि मेरे ग्रैंडसन की मैरिज में मैं डांस कर सकूं.
Very nice.
That only
और
comes with some discipline.
Beautiful. Grandson कितना बड़ा है अभी?
15 years.
Oh wow. अब मुझे भी बारात में नाचना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बुलाना जरूर. चलो, very nice, brilliant. You're already beautiful, graceful, and with that fitness, amazing. Savita?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Savita?
Yes. I have been playing badminton since a year, and thankfully, I'm seeing that consistency. But just this thought came to me that I don't have enough strength. You know, last month I felt that no, I have to improve my game, and that needs a lot of strength training. So I've also added a 1 hour gym workout. And this is mainly self-driven point here is that I want to have a very disease-free and a medicine-free body where I'm not taking pills later in life. So thankfully this year I'm watching myself and I haven't taken a single pill. And I'm going to not pop it till the end of the year. And this is going to be my driving point that yes, this is what I'm going to continue every day, month, and for the next year as well.
Wonderful, wonderful. Wish you all the best for it.
Thank you.
So there are some, I will wake up at 5 a.m. to give me an extra hour to be with myself. I will learn to post on social media. Brilliant. Very nice. Very nice. So you see, we are just not giving the knowledge, but we are also penning down whatever we want to do. And the third one in the line then comes refine. The third point is refine, for which we need to write. So how do I plan to improve? And how will I learn from my mistakes? Remember, vulnerable about feedbacks? I have a couple of people around me who are absolutely, I can't say critical, but very objective. जो है वो बोल देते. And I have decided to be courageous enough to give my writings to those people on a daily basis to get it vetted. Can you believe? क्या होगा उसमें अगर एक वर्ड मैंने यूज किया ना, ये नीरज की आदत थी पहले. मैं कोई भी वर्ड है ना अलग प्रोनाउंस करूँ ना, पहले बोलता था ये ऐसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं है, ऐसे. And I used to always ask him, why do you boys have to improve my pronunciation? अगर मैं को वो कौन सा वर्ड है, एक ज्वेलरी है, ओके, एंड दिस फेलो आउशमालिन विल से इट्स नॉट कॉल्ड ज्वेलरी, इट्स कॉल्ड ज्वेलरी. मैं ज्वेलरी बोलना चाहती तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? नो, इट्स ज्वेलरी. ऐसे नीरज है ना, कभी कभी I used to run behind him with a danda because he used to improve my pronunciation. So nonetheless, from that vulnerability and that ability to not take feedbacks, I have decided to share my writings with these two people who are very critical. It's not Naren. He is very generous with me. Naren ऐसे बोलते, बेटा ये ऐसा किया तो कैसे लगेगा? तो वो प्यार से बोलते हैं, वो भी अच्छा है. लेकिन there are two people who will say, ये क्या बकवास लिखा है? And you know, Om is one of them. Last Sunday he played one Sudoku game with me. I couldn't solve it and he said, बुआ आप इतने बड़े रह के Sudoku नहीं आता है. मतलब it's good to have such people around us. So थोड़ा self belief improvement के लिए अच्छा रहता है. I hate chess. This is just off the records, okay? I hate chess. and that fellow plays chess. And he's telling me, नहीं सर बोलते हैं मुझे बेटा, कभी कभी बेटू ही बोलते हैं, लेकिन कभी प्यार से थोड़ा ज्यादा प्यार आ गया ना तो फिर see, I'm sorry, but I have to say this to you, okay? In between of the session. See, when fathers call us ना, उनके जिस तरह से वो बुलाते हैं ना, वो आवाज में समझ में आता है. So there is, sorry to imitate, but sometimes Naren say, बेटो, I know आज पढ़ने वाले, आज कुछ तो किया है मैंने. और फिर कभी बोलते हैं ना, बेटो डाले, मतलब बहुत प्यार आ रहा है. और उससे भी ज्यादा प्यार आता है ना तो भी बोलते हैं बेटा. फीडबैक देने के लिए तो बेटा ही बोलते, एब्सोल्युटली बेटा. क्या है, चेस इज द मेन इंडोर गेम. चेस के भक्तों को प्रणाम, बट मेरा और चेस का कोई वास्ता नहीं है. डॉग्स के जैसे साथ मेरी केमिस्ट्री वैसे चेस के साथ है. बट कैन यू बिलीव इट, रिफाइनमेंट की हद, आई हैव स्टार्टेड लर्निंग चेस. क्योंकि वो बंदा मुझे 3 स्ट्रोक में हरा देता है. एंड ही टेल्स मी, मैंने आपको 3 स्ट्रोक में ना चेकमेटेड कर दिया. ही कांट से चेकमेट, मैंने आपको चेकमेटेड कर दिया ऐसे उंगली के साथ. So it's good to have people who are critical, and I have been courageous enough to decide that I'm going to share my writings with these 2 people and bear the criticism and make it better. So what are you going to do to refine your efforts? That's my way of refining. What will be your refine? Rita is doing 103. थोड़ा बोर मार रहा है, ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, मैं म्यूजिक लगाऊंगी. फिर एक दिन सितार का म्यूजिक लगाया तो पता चला अरे यार इससे और ज्यादा स्लो हो रहा है. फिर मैं एक टबाटा का म्यूजिक लगाऊंगी. कम ऑन, 5 6 7 8 गो, कम ऑन. और कोई दिन अगर ज्यादा ही बोर हो गया तो जो को फोन करूंगी. जो तो 7:30 करती है ना, मैं भी वीडियो ऑन रख के साथ में करती हूँ तेरे से. कुछ ना कुछ रिफाइनमेंट लगेगा, राइट? सो फॉर द गोल्स दैट यू हैव रिटन राइट नाउ, what are the possible areas refinement will be possible, or how is it that you're planning to refine? Can you write down? Can you at least visualize क्या कर सकते हैं? And share if you like. 1 or 2 at least sharing, self-driven sharings. Goals तो लिखा है ना सबने? Yes, Saurabh.
So,
Okay.
yeah, thanks. I think that facing the criticism is the best refinement method, which you also shared. So I am going to follow the same thing. I'll post my goal with all the people who are best in the criticism so that I can keep receiving the feedbacks and the refinement will automatically happen.
Brilliant. All the best.
Thank
और
you.
इस criticism में motivation चाहिए तो you know which number to call.
Yes.
हाँ,
Thank you.
चलेगा. Love you. Yes,
Love you
Yosna.
too.
Okay, so for next 15 days, I have taken reading at least 2 pages. I started with 2 pages because right now I left reading. Every time, whenever I am motivated, I decide that I'll read. And then after 15 days or maybe one month, it's gone. So, but the pattern I was observing कि after doing whole of my work at night while sleeping, while going to bed, I start reading. तो वो ऐसा हो जाता था sometimes कि like I am too late to sleep, like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and everybody is already slept.
Correct.
So that time it's not possible for me to reading. So refinement. So I decided कि when I wake up, when I whole of the home is my place. Like सब लोग चले जाते हैं अपने अपने काम पे, and then I am there. So that time before touching my mobile, I'll start reading. I'll finish those 2 pages and then I'll do my next work.
Brilliant. Very nice. Very nice. Very well thought of. Thank you. Bharti?
Yeah. So I'm doing a course online and they keep, you need to update. It's an hands-on and online. So there are times when I'm stuck up. तो नहीं होता है. और after completing, when I update them, so right now they have taught us how to prepare the logo for your product. So lot of persuasion हुआ है. उसके बाद उन्होंने करेक्शन किया है. करेक्शन के बाद में फिर से उन्होंने सबमिट करने को बोला है. तो मेरे को लगता है मेरा अच्छा ही तो है. Why to do not required? It is passing on the message. Why इतना और क्या लोगों में करना है? But the way the feedback I received yesterday, So today I have to do a lot of changes and it's all technology changes. Logo बना रही हूँ जो मैं मेरे art studio के लिए. Something which I'm doing out of the box. I'm going to completely use the CRSE in this, making my logo.
Brilliant.
And I think at the end of it, once they approve and they're ready to guide, that's not that guide नहीं कर रहे हैं. They're
Correct.
ready to guide us in it. But वो guide करते करते there are so many changes they will ask me to make. हल्का सा हेसिटेशन होता है. एंड इतना सा क्या है यार, ये टिक मार्क ही तो है ना, राइट की जगह लेफ्ट गए तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
Correct, correct.
They want that tick mark या heart shape या feather which is on the left side of the logo. It has to go on the right or on the top, or the size has to become small. I think I will do it. I was hesitating yesterday when I was reading it कि बहुत हो गया कितने बार करने का. But I think I'll go ahead. It might take
All
another
right.
1 week or 10 days or 15 days. But I think I will have a grip on it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Wish you all the best, Bharti.
Thank you.
We'll listen to Rita Shefali and then we'll move on. Yes, Rita.
So, as a refinement, I will use, of course, a timer and music. And I don't want any excuse, like, so I normally sometimes may have a knee pain or a forearm. So I will already wear my band and the kneecap so that I don't give my excuse कि यहाँ दुख रहा है, वहाँ दुख रहा है. So that refinement I'll surely use.
Beautiful. All the best. All the best to you. And Shefali.
Thank you so much, Joe, for such a lovely session. I'm still refining and figuring out what is the effort and refinement I need for the goal I've chosen. But there's one insight I want to share that I'm thinking about as I think about refinement, that especially when it comes to feedback, like receiving feedback, I need to be open-minded is what I'm realizing. My naughty mind will want to avoid seeking that feedback. Like for refinement, feedback, being open to feedback is so necessary. But I see myself not seeking feedback at times just because my mind would be like chanchal and say, this person may not give me good feedback. Like I know that there's a person in front of me that I can ask for feedback, and my mind will say stop and give all the excuses that that feedback may not be relevant or it may not be good enough, and I might go into a justification mode. So I limit myself so much with not wanting that feedback. So I think that's what I'm going to keep in mind, like to be open-minded and कि लेके तो देखो feedback, फिर then if I want to act on it or not, still my decision. But why stop myself at that entry point itself? Just like how Sachin, the story you shared, was open to that feedback from the waiter and then decide what action he wants to take. So I think that's a big insight and takeaway for me when it comes to refinement, being open-minded and then deciding the action. Thank you so much.
Brilliant and so relatable what you're sharing. So we'll wish you all the best with it, Shefi.
Thank you.
And for the last part, we write down about consistency. To be consistent, what are the small things you will do? Like, for me, to be consistent in yoga, शाम को तारक मेहता देखना है ना, तो सुबह योगा करना पड़ेगा. A small reward at the end of the day for doing it. Yes, I watch Tarak Mehta repeated episodes every day and CID also. I've grown up watching it. And the best part is I have gotten Om addicted to Jethalal also. So in one of those series, Jethalal dances like this. Om and me, that is our signature step when we meet each other. So I've ensured to the rest of my life, Jethalal lives with me through Om. And that's my award for the day. Award reward at the end of the day. So to be consistent in your goal, what is the small reward that you're going to give to yourself at the end of each day? Or what are the small extra things that you're going to do? Please write down. And if you've already written down, I'll just listen to 2 people and then we wind up the session. Chalo, anybody would like to share? Or you all are still writing? Okay, लिखिए. Karuna is writing for reading 1 pix time every day. Brilliant. Yes, Shweta.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
So for consistency, I think I will motivate myself. कि I, as I have written that I want to exercise every day, I will motivate every day myself कि मुझे अच्छा भी दिखना है. I want to be happy and healthy. तो मुझे कुछ
Very
भी
nice.
करके I will have to exercise. And this
Brilliant.
way I can, be consistent in that.
Beautiful. All the best. बाकी तुम वो साड़ी में बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी सेशन में.
Thank you
Suiting
so
the
much.
spirit of the session.
Thank you so much.
Very nice. Thank you. Aushu, I'm just taking a few new hands. Yes, Aushu.
So, one of my favorite things to do is have my cup of coffee that I brew fresh every single morning. And the day I achieve my goal, that day I will have my cup of coffee. So, that is a very strong motivator for me.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Parag?
Yeah. So have reminders on a continuous basis so that you remain consistent. Uh, so that's one thing.
Chalega. Very nice. All the best to you. And Bharti ji?
भारती जी ओके थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग जी
वो कभी कभी है ना मैं बाय डिफॉल्ट नरेन को इमिटेट करती हूँ तो नरेन भी बोलते हैं ना भारती जी तो वो आ जाता है कभी कभी डोंट माइंड
कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं अच्छा being consistent after the art studio is done in the house and learning lot of stuff थोड़ा पेंटिंग में प्रैक्टिस बैक सीट ले रहा है so I think that practice I will continue and whatever I'm not getting it right because if I don't get it right how do I teach and ऑनलाइन चालू करना है नरेन बोल रहे थोड़ा रुक जा लेकिन वो प्रैक्टिस तो कर ही सकती हो ना उसमें कंसिस्टेंट करके इतने सारे लोग हैं यार लाइफ में सबको एक डमी वर्कशॉप या डमी समथिंग आई थिंक आई कैन डू दैट प्रैक्टिस करते करते बाय द टाइम आई लॉन्च इट वो हो जाएगा तो कंसिस्टेंट करना है टाइम टेबल बनाना है लेजीनेस आ रहा है सो आई थिंक आई नीड टू आउटकम आउट ऑफ इट एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग वर्क ऑन दैट कंसिस्टेंटली मतलब डेडिकेटिंग proper time as so many of them have shared for exercise no so giving time every day religiously जैसे स्कूल जाती थी पहले करती थी I think I need to start giving a timetable for myself
all the best thank you I like what Anil also has written सुबह उठना है 5 बजे तो सुबह उठ के पहले ओल्ड सॉन्ग सुनो and that's going to be my motivation to get up Anil brilliant Anil Bogesara brilliant this is और क्या आया है if I missed yoga no tea Jessica love you तू और मेरा चाय का प्यार तेरा मेरा एक जैसा ही है तो चाय कैसे मिस कर सकते हैं हम लोग वेरी नाइस I believe having a time allocated becomes easier very nice listening to all songs so brilliant thank you so much for participating in this exercise brilliantly well and I think this when we do it inside the classrooms we can actually help these students to jot down see whether they see the paper again or not but the fact that they have written down it remains as a memory in their mind and we might see that definite shift in most of them implementing the session of consistent refined self-motivated efforts there is a live schooler called Shripal Sri Sriman he had done the batch way back the 8th or the 9th batch in 2001 to tell you Shripal shameless he is he stands first in every college so BJ Medical first. He went to the US, his competitive exams to become a doctor. He gave 3 exams, stood first there. And he went, started working in a hospital. He was so good at his work that the hospital said, any student coming from your college, your recommendation, we will definitely give them a chance to become a part of our hospital. Amazingly down to earth guy, achiever, being a doctor, working 18 hours a day. If you ask him, he doesn't miss his family time, he doesn't miss his exercise time. Fit. You look at him, if he's standing next to Aushmalin, he might just look 2-3 years older than Aushmu's brother. And he already has 2 children who are 10 years plus. And 3 years back, 3 or 4 years back, when Shripal came to India, he visits Life School office every time he comes to India. And we wanted to take an interview of him for our DWTNs. So there was a group of DWTNs, these youngsters, and Shripal was talking to them. And one of them asked Shripal, you know how these youngsters are not thoda cheeky? Sir, if you've achieved so much, is there one rule which you think Life School has taught you forever? Aise aankh matka mataka ke one girl was asking him. He just looked at her and he smiled and he says, in the fourth session of my, and he's talking about 10 years before, huh? He remembers the session also. In the fourth session, when Naren was taking the batch, he gave me one formula: consistent, refined, self-driven efforts. And I think all the success that I have today, all the accolades that I have today, all the achievements that I have today, I owe it to this single formula. He owns a palatial house in Pittsburgh. He drives a Lexus, and this Lexus was about 8 years back. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती. And this guy has the humility and absolute implementation to share. मेरे life में अगर कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है, I just write down this formula and find out whether my efforts are missing, or am I not being self-driven, or is refinement missing, or is consistency missing. And year after year, I've just changed, tweaked the formula, and I have achieved what I have achieved. That smile of Vidya Balan is the smile each one of us should have multiple times in our lifetime. And for that, we don't need to climb Everest. Small goals achieved consistently, and I become a person who has this smile on my face forever. Success is not built overnight or within a few days. I firmly believe success and achievement is built one step at a time. And then what the world remember is a history of successes that we have. Sachin is the god of cricket because he has a history of consistent achievements. And that's what each one of us deserves. Not only for the students, I truly pray for all the volunteers and me as well. May this time when we take CRSE, it turns out to become a formula that's etched in our system, and we become living examples to this formula, just like Shripal Sriman. Wishing you all the best for the session. May you have an extraordinary time, and may in the next session, all of us come back saying, we have achieved what we decided on the 24th of August in the morning. Till then, by the time we meet you next, Ganpati Bappa would have gone back home. And in all the festivities, because Ganesh is coming, let's do Shri Ganesh and have our achievement setting in.